Hi, I'm Yusuf. In this video, we will make the CAM operations for this part. I defined the part and blank. We will make first the cavity mill. Let me hide the point. We will make cavity mill for roughing. Mill semi-finish. And I click just generate. For less air move, I change the height and transfer rapids. Let's verify that. We treat it dynamic. I didn't fill the gaps for the slots and holes. If you want to fill the gaps, you can use n-sided surface. Okay, let's make semi-roughs. We will machine these floors with floor and wall, mill finish. I just choose the floor, not tool axis or nothing more. Change the cut pattern and maximum distance and click generate. Because it's circular, tool paths are circular. If you want it as a box, you choose minimum box and click generate again. Okay, these are cornered tool paths. If you want smoothing, you just open the smoothing and click generate. If you want smoothing in air moves, you switch to non-cutting moves, smoothing and smooth corners. And click generate again. You can see the smoothing. Okay. We will make rest milling in this slot. Rest milling D8 and semi-finish. In this 5-axis rough operations, I must specify the cut area and change the cut level. Top of range. Click OK and change the tool axis, of course. And change the tool axis again. Okay. Special for 5-axis roughing, If you want to make rest link, you shouldn't use level based, you should use 3D and change the transfer rapids. Allow periphery. And the rest link is done. You can see that the tool just cuts the rest material. Okay, let's make finish for this. Set develop profile and mill finish. I'll just choose the faces, choose the tool axis, define the maximum distance, cut between levels, stagger ramp on parts, and person tool flat. By opening this, we cut the floor, and by switching to stagger ramp on parts, I make a helical step over. I click OK and click generate. Okay. If you have contour profile license, it's a simultaneous operation. You can just select the floor. It chooses the walls automatically, and when you click generate and change the non-contact modes to normal to parts, normal to tool axis, you can cut the walls with flank swerve. You can make a swerve cuts. But you must have a contour profile license. Old UG licenses don't have this bundle. Okay, I just copied this floor wall, paste it, change the floor, and click generate. There is actually a thread. I make a hole making and drilling operation. You can choose these holes like this, or you can, let me delete them. To do this, you must change the MCS mill tool axis to all axis. It is plus set of MCS in default. Find features, steps, click OK. Group features. Okay, you can see that it found that 4 holes. Insert operation, drilling, drill deep, 5 millimeter and click generate. To avoid this air mouse, transfer rapid, love save Z type. Never use direct because it makes a gouging move. Generally, or sometimes it makes a gouging move, but don't use it. Love save Z type and click generate. To make the tapping, insert operation, tapping magic 5. You can see that taps. There is the pitch 0.8. For tapping, you should change this cut and of course make a spindle speed, for example 150, and click generate, but you must first clear this options and of course change the transfer rapids. Okay, and we will machine this slot, but it is formed as eyeball. Okay, I create operation and choose contour area 4 millimeter ball mill and workpiece. I choose the cut area, but I must choose an axis. Until now we had a floor for axis, but now we do not have a flat floor. So what will we do for exact tool axis? I create a curve, point on face, not 5, not 5. It starts from the center, but how will I make normal to this face? Normal, and choose. Now I have a curve that's created to the normal of that face. So I can choose that axis and follow periphery, constants, dot tree, and on parts, and click generate. Tool starts from here. If I want to extend the tool paths, I use cutting parameters, extended edges, and 50% of tool extension. Okay, but now you can see this green step horse. We can make a streamline operation using this dot, using this point and this edge. How? Streamline, I select the curve, add new set, point, helical, constants, dot 1, tolerance, and click generate. As you can see, there's a problem because we didn't choose the tool axis. I choose it. and click generate again. Okay. I must remind something. As you can see, it is not a very fine toolpath. For a finer toolpath, you must change stock Intel Auto value and this maximum step value and click generate. Of course, calculating time will extend. Now you can see the difference. This is a finer toolpath. Okay, the last step is machining this big formed area. You can just use contour area for this. Like this. You can switch to follow periphery, constants, dot tree, and on parts. What tool makes this air moves and make this moves for nuts because it doesn't machine these places. Okay, what will we do? We will use n-sided surface. Click apply. Click apply. We created our surfaces and then we will take it out of workpiece, choose the workpiece and sheet bodies. And specify cut area. I will choose them from this place too and click generate. It starts from down to up. If I change it outwards, it will change. it starts from up and goes down. But as always, you can see this green step over color as always in contour area, but we can use streamline to avoid them. I will not use workpiece, of course. I will choose parts, sheet body, first I must create a point. And first I choose that point, add new sets, and this edge. Drive settings, helical, constant, dot 3, click OK. I'll use normal to drive and click generate. As you can see, there is not this green color because it makes always spiral move. It is better than contour area for this part. Okay, it's all for this part. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please ask me on comments. And if you like the video, please press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.